Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to focus the entire module on Shiny. I did not create a PowerPoint presentation as I'm accustomed to do because the majority of the resources, the majority of the documentation on the subject is found in RStudio. This is where they get their money. This is what they often do and sell their services in order for me and other R community members to enjoy RStudio for free. So this is important, but one of the things that they came up with, it's called Shiny. Shiny is basically creating app to the website or to web environment in order for you to do your data analysis or run your own package and be able to display it to a wider audience. So the idea of Shiny is basically taking the RStudio, minimize it, and apply it to a web environment so everyone can enjoy. So example, for Shiny, this is again the issue of population and what we do with it and how to apply to it. And again, this is interesting because again, you are creating the same code and the same syntax that we learned throughout the semester, but you will compile it under our Shiny. And basically what you will do is you will create a Shiny library called, you install package called Shiny, and you will run example, supposed to come something else. Okay, here it is, and this is what you're going to see in your settings and be able to run it with the app, and this is how it will be able to do that. And you will also create a backup to called UIR, what it will be look like, the sidebar bar, the layout, the sidebar panel, and the input. And the issue that we need to remind ourselves again and again is that the Shiny is based on, again, server. We need to run it on a server in order for it to be applied. So the client come up with a browser, open up the web page that it is based on the HTML that located on a server, and the Shiny and the database are able to communicate with that. And sorry about that. And the idea here is that by doing so, it allowed us to have the communication. So in your assignment, you're not going to create a Shiny because it costs a little bit more money than I am intended to do. But I want you to have a sense of understanding what is Shiny, and maybe your next job you will be asked to create your own app using Shiny, and basically you're going to write an R package, but it will be compiled under R Shiny. So basically, Shiny is an app that summarize or compose all your Shiny, all your R package in more web environment, ability to run it on the web. So what I will do is I will give you all the links to Shiny, how to create the mechanism of the package itself, and there is really good introduction in the RStudio GitHub web page about the Shiny, how to install it, how to create a Shiny text with regard to the example that you're going to display it on the web page, and how you're going to encounter the input and output and run debugging as we did last time. And those are the things that really are important, and you'll be able to apply slider, which means that the user have the ability to control what he is doing and be able to apply to it. It is quite cool. It will take some time to adjust to understand it, but I highly recommend that you do that. So this is before today is module number 13. Next week I will talk about what is the future holds for RStudio or the R community, and I will try to match it up. So this time I want you to go over Shiny. I want you to have better understanding what is it entail, because many companies are looking for people who knows how to run Shiny. So I gave you the entire course about running the R programming. It's basically the same thing, but in this case it's a little bit more complex because you're running on a server, and the University of South Florida did not sponsor a server that I will be able to share with you in order for me to run Shiny. So this is my limitation. This is why I just going to show you where's the documentation and how to apply to it. You can find everything on GitHub, and that's why I insisted that you will have GitHub account, and you will see everything there is document. They did quite well with documentation, how to apply to it and how to run it. I hope you enjoy it. The assignment, there is no assignment for this module. Just if you have a comments, please let me know. I'll be able to maybe give you more specific resources for your own question about Shiny. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.